Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HONOR MagicPad to 12.3. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now I need to rotate my device real quick to continue. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of HONOR. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your HONOR's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit the Receive button. Finally, you can close all ads. And as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!